Good morning, y'all. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm testing out another product from Zmoon. I finally have the perfect conditions to do it. It is a windshield cover that you can set on your car, and if you know snow's coming, like last night, it would have been an ideal time, but we're gonna try it now. It has magnets that run across the top of your roof, and then it's got two bands that come around and wrap around your mirror. So I've had it out here in some pretty windy conditions when I was expecting snow, and held on surprisingly well. So we're gonna put that on real quick. Hey y'all, I'm sitting here editing this and I realized that I did not install this product correctly. It is upside down. The flap should actually close in the door jambs. Although I did have great results by the way I had it installed, due to the fact that I think the flaps kind of help cover the cowl better and keep the wiper area clean. You can hear the snow hitting. So the magnets basically run up here and keep it. See, there's one there, and then these straps here keep it wrapped around the mirror, and it even covers your cowl. So essentially, your wipers would be mostly clear. So. Alright y'all, we're gonna let her set a while. It's supposed to get almost up to 6 inches today, so shouldn't be a problem. Stay tuned. Alright y'all, I just got home from work. It snowed, as you can see. Oh, our flap blew up. Oh well. So that's what we had total. And then this is what we had since I left this morning. As you can see, it has stayed on the entire time. Looks like it may have slid a little bit. But we're gonna go ahead and test out and see if this thing, I think the idea of this product is to protect your windshield either from sun or snow. If you know, obviously a sunshade on the top, keep the interior cool. But in this application, we are using it for snow prevention mechanism. All right. Windshield's clean. Windshield wipers are clean. Cowl duct is clean. So I'm gonna go ahead and give this product a thumbs up. If you're looking for it, it's by Zmoon. They're on Amazon. Link will be in the description. Thank you for tuning in. As always, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next episode.